Big Sky is a popular mountain resort town known for its ski slopes, but it offers beauty all year round. During winter, the snow-covered mountains attract skiers and snowboarders from all over the world. But in the summer, the area turns into a paradise for hikers, mountain bikers, and people who love the outdoors. Big Sky also has a scenic tram ride that takes visitors to the top of Lone Peak, where you can enjoy panoramic views that seem to go on forever. If you love stargazing, Big Sky has some of the clearest skies in Montana, making it a great place to see the stars. Lewis and Clark Caverns State Park is home to one of the largest limestone caverns in the Northwest, and it's a truly magical place to explore. The guided tours through the caves offer a fascinating look at the amazing stalactites, stalagmites, and other unique formations inside. Above ground, the park has scenic hiking trails with views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. The park is a great spot for camping, and there's also plenty of wildlife to see, including deer and birds. It's a hidden gem that combines Montana's natural beauty with an adventurous underground experience. Bozeman is one of the fastest growing cities in Montana, and is known for its lively atmosphere and surrounding natural beauty. Nestled in the Gallatin Valley, Bozeman is a great base for outdoor activities like hiking, rock climbing, and fishing. The nearby Hyalite Canyon is a popular spot for exploring waterfalls and alpine lakes. Bozeman is also home to the Museum of the Rockies, where you can learn about the area's rich history and see one of the largest dinosaur fossil collections in the world. With its mix of outdoor adventures, cultural attractions, and a friendly, small-town vibe, Bozeman is a great place to visit. Missoula is a vibrant city surrounded by beautiful natural landscapes. The Clark Fork River runs through the heart of Missoula, making it a popular spot for fishing, rafting, and kayaking. For outdoor enthusiasts, there are plenty of hiking and biking trails, like the ones at Mount Sentinel or Blue Mountain. The city itself is full of art galleries, coffee shops, and local breweries, making it a perfect blend of nature and culture. During the summer, Missoula has lively outdoor concerts and festivals, attracting both locals and tourists. It's a city that invites you to slow down, enjoy life, and soak in the beauty of Montana. Flathead Lake is the largest natural freshwater lake in the western US, and it's a must-see in Montana. The clear, blue waters of Flathead Lake make it a perfect spot for swimming, boating, or just relaxing by the shore. Many people enjoy fishing here, with species like trout, bass, and pike in abundance. The lake is surrounded by mountains, providing a stunning backdrop, and there are several charming small towns nearby where visitors can explore local shops and restaurants. Flathead Lake is also home to Wild Horse Island, where you might spot wild horses and bighorn sheep. It's the perfect place for a peaceful and refreshing getaway. The Bitterroot Valley is a beautiful and peaceful region in western Montana, surrounded by mountains on both sides. The Bitterroot River runs through the valley, making it a popular spot for fishing, kayaking, and rafting. The valley is also home to many small, charming towns like Hamilton, where you can find local shops and restaurants. For hikers, there are trails leading into the Bitterroot Mountains, offering stunning views and a chance to see wildlife like elk and deer. With its breathtaking landscapes, peaceful atmosphere, and outdoor activities, the Bitterroot Valley is a must-visit for anyone looking to escape into nature. Glacier National Park is one of the most beautiful and famous spots in Montana. Known as the crown of the continent, this park has over 700 miles of hiking trails, stunning glaciers, and crystal-clear lakes. The Going to the Sun Road offers breathtaking views of mountains, forests, and wildlife like bears, mountain goats, and moose. The park is a paradise for hikers, photographers, and nature lovers. The park's glaciers and wildflowers, like beargrass, make it one of the best places to explore. With stunning waterfalls, alpine meadows, and sparkling lakes like Lake McDonald, Glacier National Park feels like a world untouched by time. Whitefish is a small town located near Glacier National Park, and is known for its year-round beauty. In the winter, it becomes a snowy wonderland perfect for skiing and snowboarding at Whitefish Mountain Resort. During the warmer months, Whitefish Lake offers swimming, boating, and fishing opportunities, with mountains providing a perfect backdrop. Whitefish's charming downtown is full of unique shops, restaurants, and art galleries, making it a great place to explore after a day of outdoor adventures. Whether you're a winter sports enthusiast or someone who loves hiking and swimming in the summer, Whitefish has something for everyone. Helena, Montana's capital, is full of historical charm and natural beauty. The city was founded during the gold rush, and you can still see traces of its mining past today. The historic buildings downtown and landmarks like the Montana State Capitol give Helena a unique character. For those who love the outdoors, Mount Helena offers beautiful hiking trails with panoramic views of the city and surrounding mountains. Helena is also close to Canyon Ferry Lake, where visitors can enjoy boating, fishing, and camping. This city is the perfect mix of history, culture, and outdoor fun, making it a great stop for any Montana adventure.